All right, we are at 1110 Lake Cook Road. We've got some Dover elevators here. We got a regular size one and this big one. We're gonna ride the big one first. It's got 2-speed doors. Up to 3. This one's actually, the indicator's all burnt out. We'll send this one down and we'll take the other one now. The red one that has the working indicator. Interesting setup though. I love these office buildings. So retro. I don't know if you can hear, but I got soft jazz playing on the speakers too. I like these. These are cool. I guess this indicator and this one's burnt out as well. All right. We'll ride up and then listen to the motor. Very dim in here. Anyway. That will be all.